Java is C++ made easier. Made easier. Then Microsoft came along and said, okay, we want to make competition, we want our own language. So we will also take C++ and make it easier.
That's true.
And maybe make minor things different.
Yeah, the same like SQL, MySQL.
Yeah, it's basically at the bottom
same,
it's SQL.
Yeah.
Everyone took SQL and called it Alibaba SQL. And this is new, you have to learn our Alibaba SQL. But really, it's
the same.
the same.
Alright,
The same. I can't think of difference. This is the same C#, C++.
Yeah.
And
Do you use Prolog as well?
I did Prolog, but I forgot now. I'm not very good at Prolog. I did Objective-C for the iPhone. Objective-C, different. You would say maybe 50% or like say 100% like C language, but when objects, completely different. Everything is different.
Oh.
It's completely just.
Is it Microsoft as well?
No, Objective-C is Apple.
Oh.
You know, for the iPhone. So it's difficult.
Alright,
If you learn Objective-C,
yeah.
it's easier to get a job than learning any other language, and also earn good money as well. Because it's actually difficult. It's very good once you understand the extra stuff that they've done.
Yeah.
It's very good. It's very efficient for memory handling. It's very good, but it's difficult to learn. That's why very little people know it, and because there's very little people, and a lot of people want to create iPhone application companies, they offer high money. Supply and demand.
Yeah, they don't have Apple machine here, isn't it?
They've got a lab, and also if you want to do the course, you get 50% off.
In here?
Yeah.
There is a course for iPhone.
Yeah, there's a course for iPhone, but I think they start at intermediate to very advanced. They teach you very advanced. And Ian, the head of the school, he offered me 50% off for the society members, as well as students. You know, as long as you're a student, you don't have to be part of society.
Wow, I didn't know about that.
Yeah, he told me. He said to me, just you can tell it to the society.
Yeah. So.
And it's very advanced. I'm going to do it myself. I know I've
When are you starting?
I think they started 15th of November, which is gone, and they do it once a month. I think December is nothing. December next year.
So how many hours is it? Where?
But 50% off. Any of the courses that they do.
How much is it cost?
700 something.
700? Yeah.
So you only pay 350.
Yeah. So basically you get half price. But it's a very good course. If you do it and you understand and you practice, you get a job.
Yeah. I need a job.
You need a job. All right. I've Objective-C is the easiest.
Right.
In fact, there's a website where it shows you different languages, jobs by language. So it categorizes every job by its language. And you see that there's lots of jobs for Objective-C, increasing every month is increasing. And at the same time, the job description, they don't ask you for experience. They just say to you, demonstrate, you have created apps. So you show them examples of your work, like a portfolio. Yeah.
Where is it again? In the website?
Arju.ac.uk.
Oh, I see. Right here.
The other website, I'll write it up here. It's called www.itjobwatch.co.uk. If you go to that, you'll be able to see jobs by language. You can see which language is paying the most, which language is paying the least, and the number of jobs as well, the volumes of jobs.
Okay. Is it in Aberdeen or in London?
No, this is the whole of the UK. It covers the whole of the UK.
Who called me? I don't know. It was coming private number.
Who?
I don't know who was calling.
It's your friend, Shaitan.
So .NET, what is .NET?
.NET?
Yeah.
It's a framework.
Oh, what does it mean?
Okay. Basically, when you say, you remember I said you're using? Yeah? There's already like
compiled files.
Compiled files.
So that's a framework.
These are the frameworks. Okay. So you've got frameworks in Java as well, predefined objects, and you can use them too.
So .NET is basically any language.
.NET is for what do you call it? Visual Studio.
Alright.
Microsoft. They created frameworks commonly used, like to connect to a database, to do this, to do that. That's all it is.
Okay.
So they have this using, they're already DLL files.
You know, in console, they're looking for somebody that know Prince 2. Prince 2.
Oh, that's
have you ever heard it?
Project management. Yeah,
it is project management.
Yeah.
So if you say you know Microsoft project, it's basically the same.
Is it? No, I don't think so. Prince 2, it's like it's a different. It's like Cisco.
Alright, okay.
So it's not just Microsoft project. Something else. But I don't know much about it because I haven't done it. I haven't done it before.
Alright, okay.
To tell you about that.
For you to
Just anything you want to know. Abbas's going to tell you.
You know that it's difficult to find a job in Aberdeen because most of the job is in Edinburgh and Glasgow.
Yeah, and down south,
Yeah.
But you can probably get a job with the oil and gas industry.
They're looking for engineer rather than the IT specialist.
No, there's IT, maybe it's networking.
You have to go to, now it started as some graduates.
It was graduate skill.
Yeah. It's Microsoft is doing Logica, is doing BT, is doing, you can get in the website.
In Aberdeen?
Not in Aberdeen, that's
The
right.
whole UK.
Yeah, don't go to Hollywood.
No, if you offer BT goes to Ipswich.
Yeah, that's very far.
Yeah, it's far away. You want to get a job in Aberdeen, basically.
Logica is there.
In Aberdeen?
Yeah.
Logical,
What is the
we have a
website?
job in Aberdeen?
Yeah.
What's going on?